Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will learn about stairway lighting switch block in Siemens PLC logo. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our Logo Soft Comfort software, and here in the left side you can see the all commands, and in the special functions timer category you can choose the stairway lighting switch block and click it on this and drop it in the window. And next, one more we can choose for input to execute our block, and one take output for test our block. So connect with the connector tool, help of the connector tool with Q1 and I1 to the block. Just here you can give the comment also, input and block name we can write the comment stairway lighting switch. Also this fonts you can change according to your visualization. Also this 8 we choose, and also this is font type and colors also you can choose, depends on your choice. See, this is very light and blue color. This also you can choose at the font size and that blue, and click OK. This is the input, and this block we can define as a output. Right now this program we will be download into the PLC. Just click it on OK and your program will be start downloading, and as it will be finished, click it on OK. And after downloading the program, if you don't have a physical hardware, you can check by simulation, and if you have a physical hardware you can click it on the test mode, online test mode. Click it OK and wait for a second, and your program is ready for online test mode. So what's the this block doing? As whenever any user put the input in the block, after immediately output will be on. Remember this input is only just pulse type. See, once first we have to be set the parameters. For example, this is the default type. 15 seconds are already set it inside the parameter section. If you like to change this one 14, 13, 10 or whatever, that's depend on your choice. See, off delay time must be longer than the pre-warning time. If there is a some time also is setting, you cannot set the time above the pre-warning setting times, otherwise it will be cancelled. So what we can do, for example, cancel this one and reduce this time also. For example, this is 13 and this you can put 8 or 5 seconds, after you can apply. Otherwise you have to be increase this time. This I will tell you later what's the function of this pre-warning. First we will discuss about this off delay time. Basically this is working look like a off delay timer, as whenever any user press the input, after output will be immediately on, and after which time we set in the block, after this finish this time, your output will be off. So see, as I give the signal, your output is now on, but as when your 15 seconds will be completed, your output will be off. But what's the difference between this off delay timer and this stairway lighting block? Now let's talk about this. Go to the remote properties, and here you can see have a two more options. Pre-warning, pre-warning have a time setting, and pre-warning have a period. How much time means in simple words, if I explain to you, for example, you set it here 15 seconds, and after 10 seconds you have to be stop the give the pre-warning, means one functionality look like yani stop the lamp and again run the lamp to the user. So for example, here is a 15 second, and if you like to put it here after 10 seconds you like to be stop the output, so you have to be set it here for how much, 5 seconds time. When you put it here 5, after 10 seconds your output will be off, and again after 1 second will be on. But if you like to increase this one, for example 2 seconds, I will put it here and click it OK, means this is 10 seconds after off, and after 12 seconds it will be again on, and after 15 seconds will be turned off. This is the functionality. See, now check the logic. I give the signal. You can see this is timer is running and output is also on. As completed the 10 seconds, your output will be off, and after 12 seconds again your output will be turned on, and after 15 seconds will be complete turn off. What's the functionality? Means if you are using this stairway block in PLC in any building or any stairs, and there is some sensor installed, some person is or user, whatever you can see the name, when this some sensor will active, after your input will be output will be on, and after which time you will be set after the warning, yani this output is now going to turn off. That's after 12 seconds, after 13 seconds, after, for an example, one more example we will take. Go back. For example, I need this complete time 20 seconds, and after 12 seconds I like to be start my warning time. So what I will do, 20 minus 12 minus is 8. So I will put it here for 8. So 12 seconds after it will be off, and after how much, for example 3 seconds, I will put it here for 3 seconds warning time. 3 seconds after it will be again turned on, means 12 plus 3, 15 seconds. At the 15 seconds it will be give the warning, means one flash, and click it OK. Again we will give the signal, and now you can observe it will be 12 seconds after it will be stopped, and again will be at the 15 seconds it will be turned on. Now you can see at the 15 seconds it will be again turned on, and after complete 20 seconds after it will be off. So this is the functionality of this block. So hope you will be understand about this stairway lighting switch. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.